The profit of a firm for the year ended 31st March 2012 for the last 5 years were as under. So you're given all the 5 years, you're given the profits. You are informed that the profits of each of the above do not include debenture interest of 10,000. So what has happened is that while computing these profits, debenture interest of rupees 10,000 has not been considered. Further, expenditure of 2008 also include rupees 20,000, which were on account of capital expenses but charged to the profit and loss account. Calculate the value of the goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchase. Actually, this is okay, 4 years purchase, that's okay. Of the weighted 2008, 9, 10, 11 and 12, which can be assigned weights of 2, 4, 5 and 6 respectively. Let me just modify this question. There's again a small error out here. This was 1, 2, 4 and 5, 6 respectively. Now in these cases, the first step that you have to do is you have to calculate the correct profits, right? So you have 2008, 2009, 10, 11, 12. The profit figure that you have are 80,000, 60,000, 100,000, 120,000 and 1,50,000, right? Now you are told that these profit figures are actually before charging debenture interest of 10,000, right? Profits for each of the above year. Now actually if you haven't charged some expense, then obviously the profits are overstated. So we will reduce the interest first. 10,000 So I'll reduce 10,000 from each of these 5 years, right? Once I'm done with this, then basically the question which comes up is what is the second adjustment? Further, expenditure of 2008, which is this year, also includes 20,000 which were on account of capital expenses. So what I did was we wrongly charged capital expenses to the profit and loss account. Right? If you charge expenses, obviously the profits go down, right? To get them back to the normal profits, we need to add this loss plus capital expenses wrongly charged 20,000, right? Is there any other adjustment? No, for none of these years. Right? Can we get the regular profits please? Yeah. 80 plus 20, 100 minus 10, 90,000. 60 minus 10, 50,000. 90,000. 110,000. And 140,000. Now, this basically takes us to the normal profits. Right? Once I have the normal profits, what do? I apply the weights to them. What are the weights? 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6, right? Then I calculate the product, 90,000, 1 lakh, 3 lakh 60,000, 5 lakh 50,000 and this gives us 5 lakh, sorry, not 5 lakh, 8 lakh 40,000. Right? My goodwill is basically 4 years purchase, which means 4 times average profits or the weighted profits for the last 5 years, right? So what are the weighted profits I get? I'll take the sum of all the products, which is this section, and I will divide it by the sum of this section. This I know is 11, 15, 17, 18. This I need to calculate 100, 190, right? 550 plus 550 will give you 11 lakh, 19 lakh, 40,000, right? 1, this will give you 2, and 9 here, right? So let's use the calculator. 2 times 194 is equal to divided by 9. So this gives you 431,111, which is the value of your goodwill, right? So the learning that you had in this video was you need to calculate the normal profit first. If there are any events which relate to a particular year, we rectify it there. There's one more thing which you just should keep in mind here is that when you reverse these revenue expenses, ideally these will go and get capitalized, right? Once this is capitalized, basically then from subsequent years you will have depreciation on that, but because there was no information which was given in the respect of this one, we did not calculate depreciation. Otherwise, if you are given the rate of depreciation also, then on this 20,000 you are going to charge depreciation in each of these years, right? With that, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for being with us today. We would urge you to share this video with your friends on any of the social medias which you like and help us educate others as well. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you do not like this video, please do send in your suggestions and feedbacks and help us improve, right? Actually help us to help you better. Thank you.